Bitch, I'm too high for your shit. She always switch. I get the bands and I dip. She blowin' my phone like for what? I gotta get to these bucks. Smoke me a wood and I'm up. Bitch, I'm too high for your shit. She always switch. I get the bands and I dip. She blowin' my phone like for what? I gotta get to these bucks. Smoke me a wood and I'm up.
Shit ain't what it seems. I swear shit ain't what it seems. Feel like I'm surrounded by some thieves taking all my energy. They ask me why I put that lean, wondering why I ain't got no team. Swear I wish it was a dream. Lately I've been wanting better things. Lately it's been love or hating, ain't no in between. I stopped counting friends and started counting up the green. They say you two want to social, I said damn I agree. Phone ringing and I let it go to voicemail. Heart singing, I will never let them hold on. Living fast and then they wanted me to slow down. Hit the gas and I forgot about it. I don't wanna talk to nobody no more. I don't wanna see you show front porch. I just wanna go and fly the cities on tour. Gotta keep on ballin', running my score. I can't think about those memories. I will never let nobody ever get the best of me. Gotta focus on myself, I'm tryna build a legacy. Never let nobody get the best of me.
I can't let them get the best of me. Rolling dope, I can't think about a memory. All these bitches on my line, they be stressing me. Feel like I'm running out of time, out of energy. Running out of energy. Ain't nobody was a friend of me. When the pain calm and I'm pouring Hennessy. When the pain calm and I'm pouring Hennessy. Bitch, I'm too high for your shit. She always switch. I get the bands and I dip. She blowin' my phone like for what? I gotta get to these bucks. Smoke me a wood and I'm up. Bitch, I'm too high for your shit. She always switch. I get the bands and I dip. She blowin' my phone like for what? I gotta get to these bucks. Smoke me a wood and I'm up.